Hey guys, what's up? This is gonna be a video about my settings in Dxtory. Uh, as you can tell, well, when you open up the game, it's gonna be default. Or when you open up the program, you'll have default here. Then what you're gonna want to do is go to this setting. It's your preference, but it'll automatically have these boxes checked, and that's going to be giving you this overlay, and I don't really care for that, so that's the reason I have them all unchecked. But yeah, it'll give you an overlay. So I'm recording this video with Fraps, so that way I'll show you this setting, you know what I mean? So go to this one. This won't be here, so you're just gonna go to this add folder, and then you're going to browse the folder where you want to save movies to. So I've got a folder on my hard drive for new movies, so I'm going to make it that one. And then you see this will be 0. You're going to go to here, this benchmark. Don't mess with anything, just hit run. It's going to run through your computer and do a benchmark. Okay, so as you could tell, my thing was just at 181 megabytes. I probably shouldn't have deleted that, but it's obviously really low right now, just because of the fact that I've got this video rendering right now, so that's taking up all my stuff, and you could probably tell it's a little laggy, and all this is going. I've got plenty of RAM left over, it's just taking up my CPU, all my processor, so once that's done, just hit OK, it's going to update that. You can make a screenshot folder, which I have one of those. These are your hotkeys. My start and stop movie capture button is F9. All you do is click it and hit F9. Or yeah, click it and hit F9. That changes it. You're executing a single screenshot. I get that for F12. My Steam is F12, so if I'm playing a game and I capture it, it'll do both screenshots. So I could upload that screenshot that Steam takes onto my library on my profile, and then this would take a screenshot, and then I'd have it on my computer as well. These are your movie settings for your video capturing. I made a huge mistake, and see this setting right here, your codec should be the first one, Dxtory video codec. Click on this little configuration. It's going to bring up this. You got true quality, high quality, medium, low, and do not do compress. I've never tried it. I wouldn't recommend doing it because my friend told me that it's not a good idea. But I had this set for high quality, and the video I just got done making on Grand Theft Auto, look how big that file is. 20 minutes and 184 gigabyte file, and that was on high quality. So I think I'm going to make this true quality because I don't want to mess with these. I just want to have it default as true quality, so I'm just going to change that. The frame rate, yours will be 30 FPS. I recommend 29.97. It's not too much of a difference, but the little bit lower is better. You can also change this to whatever you want, like 2,600. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. But yeah, 29.97. You're going to make it AVI, file output. This will be unchecked, but you can include your mouse cursor. Basically, just leave all this alone. You don't need to do anything there. Your audio settings. This too won't be here, so I'm going to delete it. You'll just have a 1, and this one is going to be your speakers. And then you're going to press the plus button, and then click on number 2 so it's highlighted. Then go to your device for your microphone. That's going to add that. Make sure your volume's up all the way. It's your preference. I like to have mine up all the way. So you got your speakers and your microphone. Basically what this will do, when you go to the video, if you can see right here, this is my video, this big bar. This bar below it is my audio in the game, and then the bar below that is my voice. So what Fraps will do, it combines the voice and the volume in the game into one file. But this program splits it, so you have 2 different files. So if I want to take my voice out and edit it and not lose the sound from in-game, I can do that. So I think that's a cool feature. This is your screenshot tab. The only thing I changed in here was I put it from PNG to JPEG, and I put the quality up to 100. It was at like 97. These are your advanced settings. The only thing I have is I want to limit the video FPS to 60, because my computer, if I'm playing Tekkit or some sort of like, if I'm playing Skyrim or GTA, I pull like 50 or 60 frames. But like if I'm playing Tekkit, I don't want to be getting like 200 frames per second. I'd rather just limit that to 60. It doesn't need to be that high. The human eye cannot tell the difference between 30 and 60 anyways, so I don't think it needs to be 200, you know. I have check update unchecked because I'm using 2.0.119. Pretty sure the newest version is 2.0.120. It's like, this is the, what am I gonna call it? This version is, it's like a standard version, and then the other version above this is kind of like a beta version. So I'd rather have the version that's already been tested and works fine. I've got hide taskbar button when minimized, and show task tray icon. So if I go down here, there's the program. And then this is just about them. So if you go into any type of game, you're gonna get different things here. So this is for my Tekkit. I don't know why Zune's in there, but then I got GTA. So default is if I was recording like my desktop or anything like that. And then when you're done, you just hit minimize. That's about it. That's all my settings for Dxtory. I really recommend this program. It's pretty nice. There's not much else to it, but yeah. See you later. Peace.